Hello students, today your bell work is going to be our next lesson in our grammar books, which is Simple Subjects. Lesson 2 starts on page 8. So go ahead, get your paper out. You need to make sure you have bell work 9-9 and of course your first, last, and period. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I will tell you when you need to take notes. So the first thing that you want to take notes on is right here. The simple subject is the main word or words in the complete subject. So go ahead and take that down. The simple subject is the main word or words in the complete subject. Okay? So remember, you can pause this at any time, so I'm going to go ahead and keep moving on, while if you need to pause it, go ahead and do that. So let's take, for example, this sentence. An expectant seal builds a shelter in a snowdrift. Well, in our last lesson, you already learned what the complete subject is and what the complete predicate is. Okay, so this is the complete subject, complete predicate. In this lesson, what you're going to learn is what is the simple subject. Okay, simple subject is just the one word or words that the sentence is about. So here, what is this sentence about? It's about a seal, right? Granted, we have the word an expectant seal, but these are all words that help describe our simple subject. So here, seal is our simple subject. Let's take a look at another one. The cozy shelter hides her newborn pup. Again, you already know the cozy shelter is our complete subject, and you already know hides her newborn pup is our complete predicate. But what is this sentence about if you had to choose one subject, one simple subject? Is it about the? No, it's not about the. Is it about cozy? No, it's not about cozy. Is it about shelter? Yeah, it is about the shelter. And what does the shelter do? It hides her newborn pup. So again, here we have simple subject. The describes shelter. What kind of shelter? The shelter. What kind of shelter? Cozy. So these are actually acting as adjectives, descriptive words. Here we have the simple subject and the complete subject as one, right? Because there's no descriptive words here. Robert Perry explored the North Pole. Okay. What is this sentence about? It's about Robert Perry. Okay. So don't get confused. If the simple subject is all there is, that's fine. It's also considered the complete subject. Okay. But here we have someone's name, so it's okay to have just one or two words as long as it's only the simple subject for today's exercise. So go ahead and take this down. The simple subject tells the reader whom or what the sentence is about. Okay, so go ahead and copy that down. If you need to pause this, do so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on your exercises. So on page 9 of your book, the example is this sentence. And you can see that the book tells us that beavers is the simple subject. Okay? This is the complete subject, and this is the complete predicate. But within the complete subject, we have the simple subject. All of these words describe beavers. What type of beavers? The beavers. What type of beavers? The river beavers. So simple subject, beavers. Alright, on your paper, go ahead and write down grammar, page 9, practice and apply, 1 through 10. The PA means practice and apply. And let's take a look at the first one. Okay. So, in the first one, let's ask our question. Who or what is this sentence about? Many animals need shelter from cold and predators. So what is this sentence about? You're right. If you said it's about many animals, that was correct. But that's the complete subject. What now is the simple subject? Animals. Simple subject. Many is a word describing what type of animals. What type of animals? Many animals. Or how many animals? Many animals. Okay, it's acting as an adjective. So, your answer for number 1 is simply simple subject equals animals. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 2. Lodges on islands often give beavers the best protection. So you don't need to write this down for your exercises. I'm just doing this for this video. But you want to ask yourself, who or what is this sentence about? So let's just go down the list, and I won't say yes or no. You tell me in your head, yes or no. Is this sentence about lodges? Is it about on? Is it about islands? Or is it about often? Well, what in this sentence is doing something? Are lodges doing something? Are ons doing something? Are islands doing something? Are oftens doing something? What gives beavers the best protection? Well, you should have figured out that lodges. Simple subject. So again, your answer for number 2, lodges. Go ahead and complete 3 through 10 on your own, and then we will correct.